Cosmo and Vector. Oh dear.
They sound worried.
Uh-oh, I see what's the matter. The big bad storm cloud is coming.
Oh no!
He's going to try and blow down the bridge, but the bridge isn't finished yet. We still have to put the bricks on. Don't worry, Cosmo and Vector. Rocket can bring you the bricks and put them on the bridge super fast. We're going to have to fly Rocket as fast as he can go. Super fast. Will you help me fly Rocket super fast? Great!
Super fast! Super fast! To get to super fast, we have to start at Adagio. Pat the beat on your lap slowly. Moderato. Now pat the beat on your tummy a little faster. Allegro. Now pat the beat on your shoulders even faster. Presto. Now reach your arms to the sky and shake your whole body. We did it! We're flying super fast!
Woohoo! Hurry, Rocket! We have to finish before the storm cloud gets here!
He did it!
Rocket finished building the brick bridge! All right, Rocket! You finished building the bridge!
Just in time, too! Because here comes the big storm cloud!
Do you think the storm cloud can blow down the brick bridge?
Well, we're about to find out. Hold on tight!
He's singing!
Huff and puff, huff and puff, huff and puff, huff and puff.
Did the storm cloud blow down the brick bridge?
No!
He can't blow this bridge down! It's too strong!
Yay! You did it, Rocket!
Yeah, Rocket! Way to go! Thanks for saving us, guys. You're welcome, boys. But what about the storm cloud that we have to worry about? It's going away for good! Look! So long, you being pesky storm cloud, and good riddance!